Good morning. Crypto markets are rallying sharply this morning after last night's landslide election, which installed Trump in the White House and elected a very pro-crypto Congress in both the Senate and the House. Bitcoin is at all-time highs. Other assets like Solana are rallying even further. I have three big takeaways from last night's election. The first big thing is we are entering the golden age of crypto. For the last 4 and indeed the last 8 years, crypto has been operating with one or maybe two arms tied behind its back. It's faced aggressive persecution from the SEC, multiple lawsuits, and a regulatory cloud that kept mainstream out of crypto. That is going to be washed away, in my expectation, in the first 100 days of the new administration. And we're going to get a fair, balanced playing field where we'll see what crypto can do. That will mean stablecoin legislation, it'll be market clarity legislation, and most importantly, it will remove the cloud hanging over crypto and allow institutional investors to evaluate it for what it is. From my perspective, that's going to be more flows and more adoption and a strong bull market for years to come. The second thing to remember is that we were already in a bull market prior to last night's election, with multiple significant catalysts pushing us towards all-time highs. We had record institutional investment into crypto. You can see that in the $23 billion of net flows into Bitcoin ETFs this year, which, by the way, I expect to accelerate in 2025. We had the effect of the Bitcoin halving in April of this year, reducing supply in the market. We had record fiscal deficits. US debt is now $36 trillion and adding $1 trillion every 100 days. And I don't expect that to slow down in a new administration. We had real-world use cases emerging like stablecoins and prediction markets and gaming. And we had blockchain technology improving at an accelerating rate. I was already very bullish before last night's election. Now I'm the most bullish I've ever been. The third thing I would add is a note of caution. All that yesterday's election does is put crypto on a level playing field. There are both good and bad projects in crypto, things that will thrive in this level playing field and things that will fail. It's incumbent on investors to know the difference. We'll be doing our part at Bitwise through CIO memos and research reports, and I encourage you to do your part as well. One closing thought, which is to offer congratulations to all of you who stuck your neck out on crypto when it was unpopular, who saw opportunity where others saw only risk. Thank you for being on this journey with us.